And we are back, Albayano Batayan. Siyempre, nagbabalik tayo pa sa panibagong music video reaction. At ngayon nga, siyempre, bibigyan natin ng video reaction ang kanta ng, I think, featuring lang dito si Feli. Pero, siyempre, solo project to ni Feli with other artists. Nag-collaboration siya with other artists. So, check natin to. Title nito is Pagdali o Pagdali. Di ko alam kung yung ba tayong tamang pronunciation ng ganito. Pero, siyempre, depende yan sa meaning ng kanta, no? So, Player 2 featuring Philip sa kanta nilang Pagdali, official music video. At syempre, kung bago ka dito sa aking channel, subscribe and syempre, click mo yung notification bell para updated ka sa ina-upload ng music video reaction about SB19, update sa kanila at saka syempre naman yung mga solo projects nila, no? So, syempre kung ayaw mo din ng maraming post at may commentary galing sa akin, alam niyo na, matabig ako, marami akong sinasabi. So, yun, ilalagay ko yung link ng original video sa description sa baba. So, huwag natin patagalin pa. First time ko mapapakinggan to. So, syempre, wala akong idea kung ano to. At sa battle rapan, kung may marinig man akong bars, double meanings. So, syempre, i-breakdown natin yan. So, yeah, huwag nating patagalin pa. Let's check it. Pagdali, Player 2, featuring Philip.
Rolling music.
Slow it down. Tapos biglang yung instrument or yung music biglang yung dineliberate na yung slow down yung volume kaya medyo nag-warp yung boses. Okay.
Slow it down.
Yes.
Wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, but
Okay, gusto ko yung concept nitong black and white dito sa music video. May mga music video din kasi talaga na depende sa concept din ng kanta, syempre, tapos ibabagay nila yun sa video. So, I thinking, plus yung intro pa nga, yung, alam mo yung parang old radio or yung vinyl pa yung ini-scratch na vinyl, parang ganon something. Kaya, parang mga 50s, 60s, or 70s tong ganitong style na. So, and tsaka even din yung outfit dito, almost makaluwa.
don't wanna waste no time, baby, but delay me about
Baby waste no time, baby pagdali. So, parang yung hurry up, no? Pagdali. Dalian.
outside, the side of you, that you don't wanna be just friends. I was your hubby, baby.
Check natin yung English to Filipino auto-generate na lang, auto-translate. Mali. Off na lang. Siguro. Okay.
Young mamacita, it hurts whenever I see it. It was mine once, but you lead it. And I'll say it again, but let's start.
Oh man, ang ganda nung yung pag-transform ng boss niya, yung head voice, man. Yung head voice. Check ko lang yung medyo, kasi yung yung caption. Okay.
Mamacita, it hurts whenever I see it. It was mine once, but you lead it. And I'll say it again, but let's start.
Iba talaga si Ken umatake pag mag-change ng normal voice to head voice to deep voice, no man? Ibang-iba talaga siya. Iba yung skill niya pagdating sa when it comes sa changing ng singing voice niya.
It was mine once, but you lead it. And I'll say it again, but let's start. Yeah, I love you like it is the first time.
Man, come on, bro.
And I'll say it again, but let's start. Yeah, I love you like it is the first time.
I love you like it. Yung hanggang dito lang yung niya, hanggang dito lang yung dito niya hinuhugot yung ganong style ng boses eh.
You lead it, and I'll say it again, but let's start. Yeah, I love you like it is the first time. You gave me like you was my sunshine. Falling and falling.
You were my first time. You was a let my sunshine. Yung internal line scheme niya, no? Plus, lahat yun, syllabic, multisyllable pa yan kasi bilang na bilang siya. sakto sa bilang yung syllables niya, na nag-rhyme multi-syllables, man.
love you, baby. And your mama see that. It hurts whenever I see
Whenever I see ya,
it. It was mine once, but you lead it.
and was my cheerleader.
And I'll
See ya, cheerleader.
say it again, but let's start, yeah. I love you like it is the first time.
Tapos yung for the last time, for the first time, like yung, kumbaga minahal niya, yung the last time, kung gaano niya rin, parang, until the last time, I say again for the last time na parang, minahal kita kung gaano, mahal kita hanggang ngayon kung gaano kita minahal nung una kitang nakita.
Gave me like you was my sunshine. Falling about the baby.
Balik na pagdali, baby. So parang yan, parang nagsusumamo dito yung kanta na to na parang bumalik ka na, pagdali, bumalik.
Calling my phone, just come through.
So, si Ken lang, honestly, si Ken lang ang kilala ko dito. No? So, itong player to, I think parang collective of artists sila or isang grupo yung player to.
You hate being alone, just let me be with you. I don't wanna talk about it, just be about it. Don't come to me and then go. Baby, don't lie to me, just hold me down. Don't tell me slow, it's not true. If you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg.
Ito yung kanta na parang pag gusto mong mag-isa, tas may kasama kang may beer, tapos tamang nasa rooftop ka. ito yung magandang sound trip, yung sound trip mo na tumatambay ka sa taas ng bahay. Okay, natatambay ka lang. Tapos may iniinom ka, like something beer. Tapos tamang sound trip ka lang ngayon. Ito yung vibe na yun. Yung napaka-light mo.
Hold me down, don't tell me slow, it's not true. If you wanna get loose, baby, come to me.
Tell me if you wanna lose. Tell me if you wanna lose.
If you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg. Me about that's all that you.
So it in your eyes. Man, sa dami ng artist na ngayon, no? Parang ang dami mo natin talagang pagpipilian ng sa ngayon na generation ngayon, no? Dahil nga syempre, andyan na available na lahat ng platform na pwede mong salangan ng yung mga music eh. So, sa dami din, no, sa YouTube pa lang, ilang million ang makikita mo, mag-research ka lang sa YouTube na yung mga artist na mga independent na artist na ang daming magagandang boses, ang daming talented na artist, kailangan mo na talaga silang hanapin kasi hindi kasi lahat nabibigyan talaga ng spot, no, ng spot sa isang platform. Kumbaga, yeah, may nandiyan ka like something sa YouTube pero parang naka-silent mode ka lang din kasi may mga artist din talaga na pinupush yung ganyan. So, kailangan mo lang din talaga hanapin yung mga ganong artist no? Ito, actually, first time ko lang din mapanood to, o makita, o makilala tong player to, pero sa naririnig ko, man, may mga talent to na pwede mo din talagang, someday, sisigaw tong mga to.
If you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg.
Tsaka ito parang yung hook kasi, yung chorus, napakadaling tandaan. So that is why makukuha mo agad makaka-vibe ka kaagad sa kanta.
I was thinking of you every day and you've been running on my mind like you in a marathon. It's always for me.
Parang may narinig akong ganitong style ng boss itong kumanta. Foreign siya, foreign. Alam ko meron ako narinig na
I
ganitong
was
style.
thinking of you every day and you've been running on my mind like you in a marathon. It's always for me. I was thinking of you every day and you've been running on my mind like you in a marathon. It's always for me.
you are running in my mind, so like you're in a marathon. Are you tired? Pero syempre yung iniisip na yung metaphor kasi na palagi kitang iniisip, na you are running in my mind, palagi kita kasing iniisip. So yun yung pinaka metaphor ng like you're in a marathon. Syempre pag tumatakbo, like you're in a marathon, are you tired? Kasi nga lagi kang tumatakbo sa isip ko. So yun yung gusto may
Just can't stop it. I'll be selfish with your presence. 'Cause I'll give you all. I'll give you all.
Tapos, eto po mapapansin mo, kumbaga yung video, no? Wala siyang cut from Feli to this guy na katabi niya, to the one na nakatayo with na may sombrero, tapos dito sa nakaupo segment. Kumbaga, one shot, continuous shot yung ano na walang cut doon sa walang cut doon sa buong duration ng video.
That's all that you that you don't wanna be just friends. Tell me if you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg. Need you by my side. That's all that you that you don't wanna be just friends.
Tell me if you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg.
Yeah. Yung boss ni Ken, ito yung mag-isa ka, nasa labas ng bahay mo, gabi. Parang napipaint ko yung scenario kung saan maganda itong magandang pang sound trip no? Like, kunyari, nasa probinsya ka, nasa labas ka ng bahay mo, nasa upuan, tapos tanaw mo yung buong paligid, tapos gabi, tapos maganda yung ulap, maganda yung sky, may mga bituin. Ito yun kaya yung boses ni Ken dito is akala mo inaantok ang sarap kaya sa pakiramdam ng galon na, no? Yung galong scenario, madilim, tapos nag-sound trip ka lang, tapos like kunyari, may iniinom ka, pampatulog, pampantok. Galon yung vibe na nakikita ko dito, na naririnig ko, na nakukuha ko dito sa kanta na to.
Wanna be just friends.
Tell me if you wanna get loose,
Tapos medyo
baby,
sleepy pa dito si Ken, yung boses sa'yo.
no time, baby, plug the leg. Did you by my side? Saw it in your eyes that you don't wanna be just.
Tell me if you wanna get loose,
Yeah.
baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby.
Hindi ko expected yung biglang drop ni Ken doon. Amen. Akala ko tapos na eh.
Don't wanna be just.
Tell me if you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung papel na itong dalawa. Ano ba tong dalawa na to? Side character? O ano to?
That's all that you that you don't wanna be just friends. Tell me if you wanna get loose, baby, come to me. Don't wanna waste no time, baby, plug the leg. Need you by my side. That's all that you don't wanna be just friends. Be just.
Nice. Yeah. Sino yung Ben Villara, producer ASEAN? Yeah, kasama si Philip sa pag-compose nito. Okay. Nice. Yeah, continuous shot nga no. So, para sa akin, I like the idea na ganun yung pagkakagawa ng music video kasi nga yung mood, sinabi ko kanina kung paano ilalatag mo yung mood sa kanta. So, gusto ko yung ganun, nag-compliment sila sa kanta plus yung mood na gustong iparating ng mismo mga artist na to. Gusto ko yung ganun, black and white, mellow, slow pop na ganun. Which is talagang sinabi ko na ito yung mga mood na gusto mo mapag-isa habang nakikinig sa gabi. Tapos may yung kumbaga yung may freedom ka lang, kumbaga may space ka sa isang lugar na yan, ikaw lang. So music wise, compliment yung sa video plus syempre yung beat sakto plus syempre yung mga boses nila no. As I've said, marami tayong artist na Pilipino na kailangan lang natin suportahan. Kailangan lang natin silang hanapin. Andiyan lang sila, marami sila. So, susunod ulit.